Masseto is not only one of the most famous Super Tuscan wines, together with the much more humble Tignanello made by Antinori, but Masseto is made entirely from the Merlot, the French Merlot grape, 100% Merlot grape, no Sangiovese in Masseto. But Masseto is also the most expensive Italian wine, the most expensive Italian vino, averaging around $700, $800 a bottle if you're lucky for a recent vintage. Masseto is made by Tenuta dell'Ornellaia in the small village of Bolgheri on the Tuscan coast from a blend of small individual plots of Merlot on the Masseto vineyard, a 7-hectare terroir, say 20 acres on the coast of Tuscany. So how do you go about pronouncing Masseto? Well, ma and then se and to, Masseto, the typical Italian pronunciation, Masseto. Because there is a double S here in the center, make sure you insist on the double S. Masseto. Masseto. You do want to put an accent and pose a little bit on the E, on the A. Masseto. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, in the wonderful world of Italian wine pronunciation. Julien Miquel signing off. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.